This is the tools you'll need to install the 2019 kit and the second design. This is a T50. It is a Torx bit, and I'm using it on a 3/8 extension and ratchet. This is an 8mm socket cap. You'll need this for the new bolts that go back in. This is the factory bolts that you're removing that uses that. This is the new bolts that you're installing that use this. That's it for the tools. And these are the pieces that come with the kit. This is the driver's side kit. This is showing you the front, and this is the inside, which would be up against the inside of the truck. This is the door side, labeled front. This is the mounting bolts that are longer, and this is the hardware trim piece that allows you to reinstall your factory trim. Step number 1, removing the side cover. Come inside it, lift hard. It's exposing your seat mounting brackets. Step 2, remove the 4 Torx head bolts at each position in the seat. Step 3, this is the inside bar. You're taking it, you're not taking the seat out. You're leaning the seat open. Setting the bar into place. Step 4, we're installing the driver's door side bracket. It's labeled front, forward, and it says up number 1 because it installs first. I'm lifting the seat. Coming behind it with the cover bracket. Goes directly on top. Hand tighten. You can now go around and tighten up all 4 bolts evenly. When you're finished tightening all 4, reinstall the side cover. Comes in, you're looking at your tabs here at the base, bringing them into place. Finished.